Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: developer options unlocked and a device you can interact with. First actionable step: open Settings, go to System or About Phone, then open Developer Options. Once inside, look for the toggle labeled Show Taps or Show Touch Points. Flip it on, you'll immediately see a small white dot appear when you tap. This visual confirms the system is registering touches, which is useful for demos, recordings, and troubleshooting input issues. Once Show Taps is enabled, test it in the exact app or flow you'll demonstrate. Tap slowly and then at normal speed to check persistence and visibility. Make sure screen recording or casting picks up the dots. Start the recorder, tap, and review the footage. If the dots are faint, change screen brightness or contrast and retry. Also, make sure gestures or third-party overlays aren't hiding the taps. Disable them temporarily if needed. This ensures your audience sees exactly where you interact. To finish, confirm recording quality and then disable Show Taps if you don't want the dots always visible. If taps fail to appear, reboot the device and re-enable the setting. Make sure no accessibility or overlay app blocks system visuals. Once done, try a different recorder or boot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If problems persist after updates, factory reset is a last resort, but usually rebooting and checking overlays resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.